Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to add alarm for your speaker SONOS MOVE 2. You have to start by open the application and now go to the settings at the right top. After that click on the manage. And in the third line we have alarms, so click on it also. We should add it. Now you can set a time, let's say I wanna 10 AM. Then a room, I have only one speaker, so I have only one option here. You can choose the music, but again I have right now only one, so I leave it here. Repeat, let's say I need just on Monday, so I'm uncheck another one and go back. And of course you can choose a volume, so it's up to you. To increase it, just move it to the right, and to lower it, just move it to the left. And duration, so click on it, and now you can set no limit, or you can click on the duration and choose an hour. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, oh, I'm so sorry. Yeah, the last one. When you make all of this, click save. And right here we have this alarm. Now that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.